Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be showing you all how to sew an elastic band pretty much on any wig. So today I'm going to be sewing it onto my closure wig. So I just got done just measuring my head and I put some little pins in it so I can keep the place of the elastic band, and I'm just going in with regular needle and thread and sewing it. Okay, so that's what it looks like, very quick and very easy. And now I'm just putting it on to kind of see how it fits. Now if it doesn't fit the way you want it to fit, you can always like just cut the band off and re-sew it back on. When I first started working with elastic bands, I found myself having to do that quite a bit, because at first it'll be snug and then after a while I get like a tension headache. So just know that elastic bands are kind of trial and error, so if it doesn't fit, just kind of start over. But I suggest just measure your head and get the right fit and you should be fine. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so basically this is not going to be like a really long video. I just came to show you guys how to apply your wig, basically, well, not apply it, but basically make it glueless, okay? Because you can't make any wig glueless. So this is a closure unit that I made with quick weave glue. I don't have any right here. Yes, I do. This is a closure wig that I made with just this 30-second quick weave glue. Took me less than 30 minutes to actually put this wig together, but I didn't want to wear it with any type of adhesive, which I make my wigs to wear, well, especially my closure wigs, I make them to where I do not have, like, they fit my hair so well that I do not have to wear adhesive, like, if I do not want to. But for the girls who may have, you know, made it too big or something like that, or they feel like they have to wear adhesive and they want a snug fit, I would consider this method, okay? Just sew an elastic band onto your wig. Now I did do the thick elastic band. You definitely do not have to do the thick elastic band, okay? But that's what I did. So all you're gonna do is measure your head, like from the back to like up to your ears, and you're gonna stretch it a little bit so you can have a little bit of that stretch so it can hold really good. And when I say this wig is not going anywhere, this wig isn't going anywhere. Like, y'all, like, it's no adhesive at all on this thing, and this wig is not budging, it is not moving, it is super sturdy, which is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so like I said, you can put this, you can do this method on any wig that you chose. I'll probably make another tutorial on how to do it on like a frontal wig, but with frontals, they're a little bit different than closures, so you would have to use a little bit of adhesive on your ear tabs, but that's pretty much it. But with closures, it's easier because all you have to do is put it on, and like I said, it's snug, it's fit, and it is there. So this hair is from Supernova. It already came colored, so you don't have to worry about the color or anything like that. Let me go over the specs. So I do have a 2022, a 22 and a 20 closure, okay? So those are my lengths. A 22-inch falls, shoot, really long on me. Like, sitting down, it falls to my waist, okay? So you guys already know my spill about Supernova. You guys know I absolutely love their hair company, and I would recommend them. At least give them a try. I think they're affordable, and I also think the customer service is great, okay? Also, keep this in mind, guys. Just because I have a good experience with a hair company doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to have a great experience, okay? So just take everything I say with a grain of salt, like I always say, because some people take it as law. So anyways, guys, yes, this is what we are looking like. This has just been like my everyday wig, just grab and go wig, since it is a closure unit, and I did sew on this elastic band. It just makes it so much easier to pick up and go. I do not have to worry about using got to be glue. I don't have to worry about using a wig actual glue, like lace glue, tape. I don't have to do all that. I just grab this wig and I'm out the door. This wig, well, this wig and method, because I made this wig, this method is very good for just the person who doesn't have time to do all that, okay? You need a quick style for every day. This is the method for you. You can literally apply this to any closure wig you have, and also you can do it to frontal wigs if you do not want to use adhesive, okay? Now if you just want somewhat of a stronger longer hold, or you really kind of don't trust just the elastic band, of course you can go in and add a few dabs of a little got to be glue and then be on your way, okay? But other than that, that should be it. You shouldn't have to be putting globs and globs of adhesive, and then it's really hot, so you know nobody want all this stuff on their hairline, okay? I'm just saying. So anyways guys, I hope this was very helpful. I know this wasn't like a long video or anything there, but it's quick and easy. I want to keep it quick and easy so you guys can see that even you all can do it. I just use regular thread and needle that you would like do a sew-in with. They can sell you like a pack of that like at the beauty supply store, or like $1 or so, whatever, where it comes like one needle and some threads. So yeah, super easy. And then I got this thick one from Walmart. So you can get elastic from anywhere, a fabric store, Walmart. You can even get it off Amazon if you don't know where it is locally. You do not have to use the super thick elastic. You can use the thin one. It's just whatever your preference is. I just feel like the thick one gives you somewhat of a better hold, but make sure you don't do these too tight because you can get a bad tension headache, you know, and no one wants that. All right, and you don't want to be the type of person who has to like take your wig off while you're at work or out somewhere, or the type of person who has to cut the elastic band off because you have such an excruciating headache and you feel like you're about to pass out. Okay, so yes. Anyways guys, that is pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Also, links will be down below to this company if you guys would like to check them out. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one.